Okay. Out with the old and in with the new. All right, my man. I'll be coming inside too, okay? All right. Get rid of this old crusty. Whew. So medical school, huh?
Yep.
How many years?
Probably gonna be around like 7. Well, not like.
Yeah. See that? That's what this family's been breathing for God knows how long. Nasty. Even cleaning that ain't gonna do nothing for you. Oh man.
And I got it running though.
How many capacitors you gone through over there?
So I eliminated 2 and got that unit has a big one.
Yeah, you put a dual run in there?
Yeah, but then it was giving me issues.
Yeah.
So I go, let me get
I just didn't want you to come here and look at it and be like, oh, it's crooked. I mean, because the bricks don't go straight, so it makes
exactly.
it look.
No, you're good.
I like to make sure it's straight, my man.
Right, you know what you're doing. Man.
Okay, just do your thing. Relax. We got this, man.
Yeah,
We're gonna take care of you.
I'm gonna have the kids give you some water later, okay?
Okay.
Let me get this when you're done.
What is this?
This is what you asked for, brother.
Oh, it's Milwaukee, man. It's just I can't touch this shit.
You gonna touch it?
Eddie,
Yeah.
you gonna flush this?
Yeah.
Flush it, so I can get this line set together. Oh yeah, baby. Easy, mama. Finesse. Jackpot. Okay. Oh man, I love it when the plan comes together. This house, I don't know about this, man. I have to reuse this. That's all I can tell you. When do we disconnect right there? We disconnect. This is actually for hard copper, not soft, but it works. Easier on the wrist, you know? Easier on the wrist. It's just the gist. Three-quarter. Like butter. Yeah, Eddie's going to flush. Oh shit, I ain't got nothing to catch that with. That's good. Jesus. Thermal trap. I have Viper hot block too, but I'm just gonna use this today. I could actually just leave that disconnected. It wouldn't matter. Probably just disconnected, no? Whatever. This ain't gonna get hot enough to do anything anyway. Using Stay Bright 8. Eduardo Torres.
Bing, bing.
Alright. Another thing I like about these units is you do not have to install a filter dryer. Built in. That's that. Over for you. All right, let's get these torqued down. All right, so 42 3/8 is 32.39, so we'll just say 40. Memory 3, this is 3, right? 2. Let's get it in there. That's it. Yeah, so these dip switchers determine how you're going to use this, communicating, non-communicating. Set these dip switches. These only come in like regular standard tons, like 4-ton. Actually, these only come up to 4-ton, where the X series, you can use the dip switches inside here to change the tonnage. So you could go from a 4-ton to a 5-ton by hitting the switches, or you can go from like 1.5, I believe, up to 2 or up to 3 tons, 1.5 to 3 tons, utilizing the dip switches as well in the X series. But that's what I like about these. And the Y series and the X series, they're slim, and that's what I like about the X series especially, is that, you know, it's versatile. Hold on. Eddie, save me.
Huh?
Talk to this guy.
Who is it?
Omar's guy. Talk to him.
Hello.
Hey, is this Omar?
No. Oh, that's Omar now. There's Omar. I can speak English. Hey, Omar.
Yeah, I'll be like around 2 or 3.
2 or 3? Okay. All right, buddy. I just wanted to know. I got a guy here trying to pick it up. You know what I'm saying? So.
No, I'll take it. Don't worry. I'll be there.
All right, brother. See you then.
All right.
Bye. Yeah, so on these units, you gotta have 3 wires. You gotta have R, common, and a Y. Oh, crusty. See that? So Eddie killed the power to wire up this receptacle. And these old receptacles, man, sometimes you turn them off and you just don't turn back on. So that's the case right here. So we had to change this receptacle out right here. There's no main power. There's no disconnect for this bus. So you had to take the meter. The meter is the actual connect. Pull the meter out. Kill the power going to the bus. Or right here, or kill the power going to the main. And just change the main out. So now we gotta put this receptacle inside and power it back up. But yeah, these breakers, man, this one's trash too. Oh, garbage. All these breakers are just, whew. Yeah, so, yeah. You turn off some of these old breakers, man. You just don't want to turn back on. Doesn't smell burnt. Just garbage. All right. Go pull this thermostat wire. All right, we're good. Hey, let me see that $10,000 key again, man. Where you get those keys at?
You have to know someone at Edison. Look, they're all serialized and everything. I'm gonna take a picture and send it to one of my homies and be like, "You got one of these?"
$10,000 key right here.
$10,000.
Is it $10,000 for this key?
$10,000 for that, bro. Because you saw, look how much money it just
This
made.
is your company?
This is my company.
All right.
I paid
get a card. Get a card on you?
Yeah, I do.
All right, let me get a card, brother. You paid $2,500 for it?
$2,500 for this. But now it's about 10 grand for you, and you got if they're willing to even do it.
You got to know someone that knows someone, huh?
Yeah.
Know somebody that knows somebody.
Well, now I know somebody.
Yes, we do.
10 grand for that meter key.
Yep.
Phone number?
909.
909?
Yep.
Okay, thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
615?
Yep. 5.
Here we go.
We too impatient.
This.
My alarm goes off.
Firing it up, baby.
Take me with you. Phone gets on my nerves.
There we go.
Working.
Well, it could be worse. Your phone could not be ringing. All right, we got the start up for this Y series. We are online, baby. Taking the heat out the house, Eddie. Another one bites the dust. Dang it. All right, let's get this panel back on here and let's go home. And you know what? Let's do this again tomorrow morning, bro. You know what I mean? Do it again tomorrow. Do it again tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after, and the day after. Until he just stops giving.
You got the gas out, right?
Absolutely not. That line set's long, bro. Go get some gas.
No, I don't feel it.
Let it run. Yeah. Let this thing ramp up. I mean, you can't set superheat subcool on this. It's just like a mini split, so this takes time to ramp up. Suction pressure's coming up, looking good. I mean, these things are quiet, man. Love these units. That's it. Can't get much quieter than that. This is the 4 tons, got the 2 fans. 3 tons got 1 fan. So coming 2.5, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. They don't go above 4. If you want to go above 4, then you got to get the X series. But yeah, this is the Y series, man. Love these things. Quiet, efficient, and they look nice. What do you think, Eddie? Is this sexy or what?
It's fucking amazing. I would marry it.
Oh wow, this thing's like slim, sexy. This takes time, bro. It takes time.
Oh, look at the suction, right?
It's good. Yes, yes, it takes time. Just wanted to, you know.
Patient.
Yeah, you know, this thing's long and sexy, just like I like my women long and sexy. Them long legs, you know what I'm saying?
I like long.
I do too. I do too.
I've always been a fan of tall.
Yeah, yeah. Me too, man. That's why I married one.
She's taller than you?
No.
Because you're a midget.
Come on, bro.
Bro, I try to get in your little suit like this.
They're all small. That's all they had at the store. That's all they had at the store. The only fucking shit suits they had.
And it's like like dirt through.
Yeah, it's terrible, man. I mean, it's better. I mean, it's better than having nothing. All right, so fuck, man. What do you think? Tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, I'm gonna run a service call. 8 o'clock, we go to Marietta, knock it out. I mean, knock it out, right? And then we go to.
What time are we gonna go so I can tell him? He's gonna be expecting us.
Tell him 11. Okay.
It's good.
We would have been out here 4 hours ago with electrical stuff. God
And the
damn.
wire.
You know, it's always something, brother. But this unit is, man, what do you think, bro? Quiet, too, bro. For the price?
Got a surge protector. Bring the lady out.
All right. This is it. Y series, baby. This is it, the Y series. Just commissioned it. So if you guys are interested in one of these, go ahead and hit me up on TikTok, Matt's Crafty. Instagram, Matt's Crafty. You can hit me on Facebook as well. www.emthvacs.com. Head over there if you want to know more about these or looking to get one. Hit me up. These things are very sleek and very quiet.
So quiet.
What do you think, man?
Oh, it looks great. I even saw the interior, you know, what you were showing me. It looks
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah.
Really does.
Well, it's definitely pulling some heat out of the house.
There's all that hot air.
It's coming out of your house.
At your house.
Pulling it right out.
You know if it's cooling properly. If you stand here and it's blowing hot, if it's blowing ever cold, then you know something's going on. It's always removing the heat.